Okay, this will be test number 1 on the new CNC. I have a ballpoint pen just kind of zip tied to the Z axis right now. We will be hopefully drawing a crown. Let's see what happens. Looks like maybe the paper is a little bit lower there. Pen can't get all the way down. Well. Okay. I'm going to call this a small victory. It looks very, very good for a first run. Now, some things I'm noticing, this line right here did not connect. It was supposed to. But, I mean, everything else looks really good. This, I'm disregarding that. There's a mount that I can get that'll actually have a spring-loaded tensioner for if I ever wanted to do anything with a pen, but this is just a low spot, so I'm not worried about that. And that circle, I believe, is supposed to be completely circular. It's a bit more oval shaped right now. There's also an unequal distance, if you notice right up here, between the circle and the outer, I guess, whatever curvature. They're just not the same. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I can see a little bit of a gap or a bit of a break right there. Yeah, I think that's got my work cut out for me. All these things seem very, very small and a little insignificant, but when you're talking about this thing having a an end mill connected to it, where it's actually milling out wood or carbon fiber or whatever, those little things really add up. So this is going to come down to me just fiddling around with belt tensions and getting everything really tightened up and squared, and that should be it. It also very well could be the fact that I just zip tied this to the mount, so I could come up with a little bit more of a rigid solution, but this was just what I figured I would do. So Awesome. Very happy with that.